morning students. Today we are going to see a writing junction. So you all know how to recycle a plastic that you have seen in this lesson, recycling. And then according to surveys done worldwide, tons of plastic is used every day all over the world. So what is given here means, according to the survey, they have declared that the worldwide, that is that we are using tons of plastic in our day-to-day life, like that they are saying. Surveys or examinations done on a topic by asking people their opinion on it. So with that survey they have made some opinions and they have done some examinations on that regarding that usage of the plastic in our day-to-day life. So what you are going to do is, you are going to take survey in your home itself. So what you are going to do is, so pick up 5 peoples in your home. In your home itself, you select any of them. You can take your parents also and your siblings, your sisters, everyone you can take it. Your grandfather or grandmother, you can choose any of them 5, and then you are going to take some surveys, or to your neighborhood also you can take any of them. So for what you are going to do is, there are some few questions are there. According to that, you are going to ask their response, whether they are saying yes or they are saying no. Why they are saying yes, that also you note it, and why they are saying no, that also you note it. Okay. So first question is, do you reuse plastic bottles at home? So what is the question? Do you reuse plastic bottles at home? You know what is named here? Recycling. So reuse means here reusing again. After recycling we will use it again, right? So whether your parents or your siblings, what you have chosen, which people and all you have chosen, you ask to them what are the things, whether they are using the plastic which was recycled, whether they are reusing the products, like that you have to ask your peoples that you have chosen. Do you reuse plastic bottles at home? Ask to them whether they are using or not. Ask to your father first. They ask to them, and then you ask to your mother whether she is doing that. She is reusing the plastic bottles in her kitchen things also, kitchen materials also. She can maybe using that. So ask to them whether they are using or not, reusing the plastic bottles. So first question is that you are going to ask is, do you reuse plastic bottles at home? Ask to them, and whether what they response, like that you record it in your book itself, and write the note and write that why they are using, for what they are using, like that. Just note it down in your notebook. And the next one, do you use plastic utensils at home? And the next thing what you are going to ask is, do you use plastic utensils at home? Whether they are using utensils, like that you are going to ask to your peoples that you have chosen. So you have to ask whether they are saying yes or no. You record it in each box is given here. So responses are given in the chart itself. Response 1, response 2, response 3, response 4 and response 5. That is mentioning your response 1, that is one member, and response 2 is another member. So you have to choose that. Do you use plastic utensils at home? Ask to them and find the answer and write here, and note them what they are saying. And the next one is, do you dispose of candy wrappers or food packets on the streets? Wrapper means what? After eating the chocolate you will be having the wrappers. So whether you are disposing that wrappers on the streets or food packets on the streets, like that you have to ask your members that you have chosen, and then write whether it is yes or no, and note down why they are doing that, whether they are disposing in the streets or they are keeping the garbages in the separate manner. So ask to them, write the responses yes or no, and then note it down why they are saying that. The reason also write it. Okay. So there are 5 responses you have to take. And the next one is, next question, last question is given here. Do you reuse pickle jam jars at home? Pickle means you know everyone. So do you reuse pickle or jam jars at home? That jars, that bottles and all will be no. That you are reusing at your home, like that you have to ask them. So The responses should be of 5. 5 responses you have to record here, and with that responses what you are going to do is, now that you have recorded the response, write a paragraph on your findings. After filling these responses, you have to fill that yes or no. The two things only you are going to record here, and separately write that for each of the questions, do you reuse plastic bottles at home? You will record as one, you will write as yes, or another one no. So these two options only are going to write here, and separately you note that why they are saying yes and why they are saying no. So each of the questions you note every points by from that persons, and then you are going to frame a paragraph on finding that things. So now we have recorded every responses, and now we are going to frame a paragraph with that. So how you are going to start is, you can start like this. All the 5 people said that they never throw plastic wrappers on the streets. What is given here? They never, all the 5 peoples never thrown the plastic wrappers. Any wrappers they won't throw in the streets, like that we have started. Only 2 people segregate waste at their houses. So we have started like this. So you have to end with the paragraph what you have noted in the response sheet. So after filling that, what you are going to do, you are going to write a paragraph on your findings of these recordings. So thank you students, we shall see in the next class.